All right, thank you very much. That was an amazing event. That was probably the best. No, not probably. It was definitely the best event I've ever been to. It was amazing. So a couple things real quick. So I was very thankful that my daughter, she has joined us under her own ask in the business and was able to meet Elizabeth. John Wynn, thank you so much for talking with her. That meant the world to her. And the people she got to spend time with, she has a whole total new outlet on what we're doing. But the things that really impacted me, Marty Wynn and Tim Sloma kind of said the same thing. Marty's version was, I tell people to give me their password and their username because I'm going to get onto their system and get them signed up for Fast Start class. And if they don't do it and they don't trust me to do it, then I'm going to throw them off the boat and not waste my time with them. I mean, that was priceless. And Tim Sloma kind of said the same thing. He said, if you are teaching past manager, you're wasting your time. So that should be our focus. Not we want to fast start qualify you. Not we want to. You got to get people to think I'm going to manager and beyond, and help them understand that. And then just as results with the social media stuff, when I was going through that, I actually had 2 people out of the response on the thing that Melanie gave us that said, yes, I want to get together this week. Please call me. So it works. As far as my game plan goes, Dave LeCue and I spent some time yesterday together, and he said, look, I want to work with you. I'm going to hold you accountable. So he's going to be my accountability partner, and that's what I need. I need Brian A. That's really what I need, and David can be that person. So thank you so much,
Yes, they
Elizabeth.
can.